Hello. So we're looking at question 4, and this is just like question 3, but what we're dividing by is a little bit more complicated because they're not just linear things we're dividing by now. So, but each time it's your polynomial, which is always this one, equals your divisor, which is what you're dividing by. So this one's the one that's not just linear this time, times your quotient, which is what we're going to end up with on top of the dividing thing, plus your remainder, which is whatever we get left over at the end. So let's start off with, we've got 4a, and we've got x to the 3 plus x squared take 7x plus 6, and we're dividing it by x squared plus 3x take 1. Now, this time, well, we're still going to start off, our first step is always divide. So we divide and write on top. We're going to divide by the first term in that. So we've got x to the cubed divided by x squared gives me just x. My next step is still to times. So that x times x squared is x cubed. X times positive 3x is positive 3x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x. Third step, subtract and then bring down. So let's subtract this. X cubed take x cubed 0. X squared plus, take positive 3x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 7x take negative x is negative 6x, and then I've got plus 6. Now this time I'm going to divide with this one. Negative 2x squared divided by x squared is negative 2. Multiply and right below, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times positive 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Third step, subtract and right below, subtract and drag down, but we don't have anything to drag down this time, so we've got 0, 0, 4. Which means, if I'm going to rewrite this, then my polynomial, what I started with was x cubed plus x squared takes 7x plus 6 equals my quotient. I always like to do quotient first, which is what's on top, x take 2, times the divisor, whatever we had out the front, x squared take 3 plus 3x take 1 plus a remainder, which was 4. So if we color code this, polynomial, still the thing, still the big one. Our divisor, which means I just highlighted the wrong thing down here. Our divisor was this one. Quotient. And remainder. Yeah. Okay, let's now do 4c. I'm going to do it the exact same way. So, in 4c, the polynomial we have is this one. It's just a bit bigger. We're dividing it by this one. So we've got x to the 4, actually I should start this bit over to the right. We've got x to the 4, take 3x cubed plus x squared take 7x plus 3, and we are dividing by x squared take 4x plus 2. So now we follow the steps as usual. First step, divide and write above. So x to the 4 divided by x squared leaves me with x squared. Second step, multiply and write below. X squared times x squared, x to the 4. X squared times negative 4x, take 4x cubed. X squared times positive 2 plus 2x squared. Third step, subtract and drag down. So we've got 0, positive 1x cubed, negative 1x squared, and take 7x. Okay, let's start again. Divide. Divide and write above. X cubed divided by x squared, x. Second step, multiply and write below. X cubed, take 4x squared plus 2x. Third step, subtract, then write, drag down. 0 plus 3x squared, take 9x plus 3. Okay, start again, divide. So 3x squared divided by x squared plus 3. Second step, multiply and write below. 3x squared, take 12x plus 6. Third step, subtract and drag down, but we've got nothing to drag down. So we've got 0, 3x, take 3. Okay, now let's rewrite it. We've got our polynomial, x to the 4, take 3x cubed plus x squared, take 7x plus 3. It equals our quotient, so x squared plus x plus 3, what's on top, times our divisor, x squared take 4x plus 2, which is what we divided by, plus the remainder, 3x take 3. Let's color code them. So that was this one. Then we had our quotient, which is this one. Our divisor, this one, plus the remainder at the end, this one. And that's long division with dividing by a nonlinear factor.